F500 Retarder-Proofer and Freezer-Proofer cabinet allow cooling during fermentation. When ambient temperatures are high, or when you're proofing heat-sensitive products such as croissants, which require low-temperature fermentation, you need a proofing cabinet that can rise to the occasion. By activating the Allow Cooling During Fermentation function, the Sveba Dahlen F500 Retarder-Proofer and Freezer-Proofer lets the operator specify the exact offset temperature at which cooling should engage. If the cabinet temperature exceeds that limit, for example, plus 2 degrees Celsius, the compressor automatically starts to prevent further temperature overshoot and brings the cabinet back down to the desired proofing set point. You can feel confident that the F500 gets the job done reliably every time. We are Sveba Dahlen, your partner in successful baking.